And you're on.
All right, what's going on, you guys? So today's video is gonna be all about how to work with your partner efficiently, effectively, and how to keep them safe while you're punching them in the head, because that's probably the main thing that people have fear of, and that is getting hit in the head. Why is that? It's a normal human reaction, you know, to get scared, especially if you've never experienced something like this. But I wanna show you guys the best way to go about it so that way you feel comfortable. So here we have these two young bucks, Brian and Art. What they're gonna do right now is just basically have verbal communication with each other. So Brian, right over here, he's gonna be the striker. Art, right over there, he's just gonna have his hands plastered to his forehead like this so he can see, and so that way he can talk, and also so he can breathe. So those are his three main objectives while he's getting hit. So Brian, he's gonna ask him every once in a while, "Are you okay, Art?" And Art will reply with,
All right.
Good.
and then he'll say, "Are you looking?"
Looking?
Yes, sir.
And he,
Yes, sir.
now, you can hear Art breathing with his whoo, whoo.
Good. Nice.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
There you go.
Good.
And that's what makes good teamwork.
Nice. Good job.
And switch roles. All right, they're gonna do the exact same thing, and Art is gonna make sure that Brian can see.
Good. Yeah. See it?
He's breathing.
Breathing.
All right. Yeah.
And you can tell they're calm because of the way that they're talking back with each other.
Good.
Good.
And good, gentlemen. So these guys have been working with each other for a long time now to where they can actually hit each other and feel comfortable, right? It's the main thing that you're gonna get out of this is a nice brotherhood, right? You're working with somebody you can trust, not someone who's just right off the street, because there's this fine line of respect that needs to be, what's that word I'm looking for? Put in first. All right, so for this next drill, now we go a step beyond. Now it's not just about looking, breathing, and staying calm. Now it's about also being able to react and kind of parry the punches as they're coming. So, gentlemen, go ahead. Still using light strikes.
Yep.
Now Art can kind of move his head out the way. So now that he can see, he's able to stay calm enough to move away from the punches. Now this is the idea. Does it always work? No, you will get hit. But the fact that these guys have settled in that respect for each other, you get to do this. And switch roles. Now you get to watch Brian's slick head movement. Yeah. Now Art, $5 if you hit him in the head. Right? So he's still calm, his eyes are open, which is usually what happens when you get hit in the head is you close them. The second thing to go is your breathing, you tighten up and you exhaust yourself when you need to.
That's it. Breathe. I hear it.
And they're working with each other, they're able to talk each other through these things. And time. Gentlemen, thank you for that, I appreciate it. So, basically what I'm trying to get out of that is they're just building a bond right now. They get to work with each other, they get to punch each other in the head, and it's just a brotherhood like I said before. Not only that, you get to put your trust into somebody as they put their trust in their fears into you, so that way they can help each other work through it. Because the number one emotion that goes through their heads is basically fear. That being said, you don't want to let your emotions get the best of you, and these gentlemen help each other, working each other through that. All right, so thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.